So you're just getting the Netflix proxy or VPN error on your smart TV even though you are not using any VPN? Don't worry, let's see how you can fix this problem easily. So first you need to check if there's any VPN enabled on your TV accidentally. So sometimes a VPN can be turned on without you realizing it, and that can interrupt Netflix IP address. So just go to your TV and check that there have any VPN enabled, and if you see it's turned on or activate, just disable it completely. After turning it off, if you see a disconnected message, that means the VPN is no longer interfering. Now open Netflix again and check if it's working fine or not. But in your case, if you're getting the proxy or VPN error, the next step is to restart your TV. Just go to your TV settings, then open up System. Now scroll all the way down and select Restart. Wait until your TV fully restarts. And once it turns back on, open Netflix again, and if the error is still showing, the issue might be related to your profile. So when Netflix opens, try switching to another profile if you have one. If you don't, create a new profile and use that instead. In many cases, users fix the proxy or VPN error simply by switching or creating a new profile. So most of the time, one of these steps solves the problem completely. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Netflix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.